Hi dear viewers, I am Mrs. Geeta Bali from Bengaluru. This is my 8th video in relevant to corruption existing in some section of Judiciary, having placed my own 2 cases as testimonies to them. And before proceeding, I wish and intend to convey my heartfelt and gratitude of thanks to the Honorable Supreme Court for setting up new set of orders of purpose and object of Order 7 Rule 11 of CPC in 2020, which has facilitated me to incorporate these two new set of orders into my own case, and I would benefit immensely from this new set of orders. Hence, I take this opportunity to thank the Honorable Supreme Court for setting up this new set of orders and helping innocent common citizens like me to succeed in our own cases. And I hope and pray such new reforms should take place so that common citizens will benefit from them. And I wish to state that I had faced hell-like problems in my own cases, and I've placed this new set of orders before the Honorable Civil Court and before the Honorable High Court as well, and hoping for something miracle to happen, because these reforms in orders are like breathers for common citizens like me. And I always say that powerful people should not influence the cases which is happening in many of the cases. The powerful and rich people, they all are influencing to get justice, to purchase justice, which should not happen at all. So I pray to the Honorable Legislature, Honorable Supreme Court, and those honorable, respected law reformers to accommodate whatever I say as my grievance, not only my grievance, on behalf of lakhs of common citizens, and consider that these are very serious issues and they should be dealt immediately with strong hand, with iron hand, so that if these reforms and if the corruption in judiciary are accommodated, and they should not be taken on ego side of the case. They should be accommodative, and when these concerns are addressed, then I can definitely, undoubtedly say that very soon the common man, they are going to be relieved of all the discrimination, injustice done to their cases, despite of having all the documental evidences, legal grounds in support of them. And I would like to talk a few more, some some more grievances in my own case. You'll be astonished if I say that in my 2004 case, for more than 6 years, there's nobody to contest my case except I as a plaintiff had filed the case, but no opponents or opposition to contest or even submit their written statements. Then imagine what sort of struggle or mental torture I would have gone. But by then I had absolutely zero knowledge of the laws. Hence I didn't take it seriously. But once, after 6 years, when the opposition, they filed a written statement stating that the partition deed was not challenged, that is when I became alert in 2010. The case filed in 2004, I became alert in 2010. It is from then I got to understand slowly what is law, how the case has to be defended, what are the flaws in that. All that I really slowly and gradually understood and realized. And is it not surprising and shocking? If a case is proceeding without anyone opposing, or there is no opposition to contest the case, imagine, why did I waste all those 6 years? It's really, devastating. Really devastating. I was, when I tried to learn that and explain that why partition deed has not been challenged, then I was taken into task. I was questioned. Am I a law student, a law graduate? Or am I so much in knowledge of law? All that I was questioned. Then where are we, like common citizens, to go? We are trapped. We are trapped. We have no place to go. This slowly, gradually, I came to understand all the grievances, the harassments, the torture the common citizens are going. Then, to some extent, I did appear as party person in both my cases. I just got some few books from my friends and I studied some law, and I came to understand what is the status of my case. I'm just now, let me leave aside my 2004 case and coming back to my 2013 case. Despite us having all the document evidences, as I said in my early video, this case, this suit needs to be dismissed or the plaint to be rejected, because the suit evidence itself, without being adjudicated or being adduced in evidence, the case has been proceeding. And moreover, what is really worries me after getting to learn about law is, without me submitting my defense statements, the party had been provided with injunction order. The law says until the defendants are being heard, no order should be passed. No stay order should be passed. But what's happening? What's happening? Just to see. And whatever I'm saying are not allegations. Anybody can take my court record and see them. It's really very pathetic. And it's a mental torture. Dear viewers, again I'll come up further with more new, evidences in both my cases. You'll be surprised and you'll not believe. In the 2013 case, I did incorporate what this Honorable Supreme Court had a new set of orders of object and purpose of Order 7 Rule 11. I did incorporate even in my civil court case. Recently, I submitted in this month. After submitting after 3 days, you'll not believe, the party who have the money power, and I think they are, I came to understand they are influential and they have got all the other powers also. I hope what I mean to say. Two persons in scooter, they were standing in front of my house and observing from the entire house. I don't know what they were trying to do. I thought maybe there are a lot of things had happened to eliminate me, make me disabled so that I will not move to the court, disable me, to eliminate me from, and even I got threats in my life. They have performed occult, that is black magic. Everything they have done their best. If I had, as per law, as per justice, if I would have received justice a long time ago, would I have faced all these, struggles and sufferings, which has put me into, into fire. I'm burning little. How am I to come out of it? Only the judicial only have to help me. Judiciary system only have to help me, because we have no place to go.